The 2020 election recount that's had all sorts of controversies, from security lapses to revelations auditors are chasing conspiracy theories, is now officially on hold.
At least for now. Political editor Dennis Welch has more on when they expect to return to the count and how long they think it might take to wrap this up.
The unprecedented audit of Maricopa County's 2020 election results hitting the brakes for now, packing up at Veterans Memorial Coliseum to make way for high school graduations next week. The millions of ballots as well as technical equipment used in the November election were hauled out of the arena and taken to this 20,000 square foot building on the State Fairgrounds. The auditors are expected to move the ballots back to the Coliseum and resume counting on May 24th.
There were 27 untouched ballots so far. Of the 46 that we received, 27 and a half haven't been touched yet.
Ken Bennett, who is overseeing the audit for the Republican-led Senate, explaining they are nowhere close to counting the 2.1 million ballots. Over the past 3 weeks, the process has been slow going, but expects the auditors will finish before the new lease on the Coliseum ends at the end of June.
We're talking 13 and a half, 14 days. So hopefully the May 24th to end of June will give us plenty of time to get the remainder done.
While there will be no counting next week, that doesn't mean there will be no drama. On Monday, the Maricopa County Board of Supervisors will meet to debunk a number of unverified accusations the auditors made in a letter where they asked them to appear Tuesday before a panel in the Senate. Dennis Welch, Arizona's Family.